Hello hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. ChatGPT's images created error problems. ChatGPT has been images is error and loading issues problems and different error show problem. Images is not create error. Images is created fail issues problems and the audience stop create images and the image is generated fail issues problem facing the audience the problems but any problem the update this way to watching app and web browser is same processing iPhone Android same processing is starting now. First of all, the open the Play Store and laptop the officially the Chrome browser update now. First of all, the environment chat gpt's search update new versions. The update beta has been completed, update now. Term and condition the updated now. Wait, the update is starting now. Two step, the press the app has been ChatGPT selected app informations. App information the selected officially the permissions the selected permission the selected has been notification and first of all important the locations and the important location as below and successfully and back. Three step, the internet connection the checkings. Wi-Fi 10 second has been reset now. Wi-Fi 10 second and my devices has been air mode on off now. Has been successfully images has been created now. Images has been successfully follow the step by step the problem resolved. Thanks for watching this video.